Yeah, today is Thursday, 22nd of January. Some sumbitch moved my boulder again. 8 foot. I don't see any damage to it. I don't think a car hit it. Ain't no telling. It was somehow way up there. And you see the scrape marks. It moved from here up to there, flipped from there down to here. Who's screwing with my damn boulder? I have no idea. Somebody with a trailer could have pulled into my lot trying to steal my railroad ties, hooked the boulder with the trailer, and shoved it back down there. I don't know. I've got security cameras that cover everything. I could look at those. Just irritating. You know, why do people gotta screw with something that doesn't belong to them? Could be the wing nuts up the hill too. Who knows? But all my railroad ties are still in position, so they tried to steal those. They couldn't get them out of the ground. Sometimes you just gotta shake your head and say, It's easy enough to move. It'd be easier with the backhoe than the fork truck. So anyway, I'm up here at my little building today. Double check all my preps for the ungodly cold weather that's coming. One of the lows is going to be at 10 degrees. Wind chill will be below 0. And I want to fill up the bird feeders, fill up the bird bath, but by tomorrow night the bird bath will be froze. Nothing I can do about that. There's a creek on that tree line across the street, so they have access to water. And, just irritating. I don't know why I keep screwing with my damn boulder. And I've had the little electric heater going the last few days, and the building's at 65 right now. That will be more than enough to keep the interior water lines from freezing. But the birds have rediscovered my bird feeders. One on the left is about 3/4 full. The one on the right is almost empty. So they're getting plenty to eat. So anyway, let me go get my backhoe, go out there and put my boulder back where it's supposed to be. That's all for this one. Thank you.